Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. Today in this video we start marble nail art with Born Pretty gel polish. First of all we apply base coat that protect our natural nail. So what is gel polish and what's the difference between gel polish or regular polish? Gel polish does not dry naturally. For gel polish you should have UV or LED lamp for curing. When you do marble nail art with gel polish, you don't need to cure first coat. Apply some dots of gel polish and then make your design as you want with the help of thin liner brush. When you make your marble design, then cure it under UV or LED lamp. After curing, apply top coat and again cure it. I hope you like it, so give this video a huge thumbs up and follow on Instagram. Thanks for watching.